clinical thermometer. Objective: to understand how to measure temperature. Thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature. Let us learn about different thermometers and how to measure the temperature using them. The thermometer, which is used to measure human body temperature, is called a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube with a bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. The long glass tube along the mercury thread is marked with a scale to note the temperature. It might also contain two different scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. A clinical thermometer reads from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and the range in Fahrenheit scale is 94 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature difference between two large divisions in the Celsius scale is 1 degree Celsius, which is further divided into 10 small divisions. Thus, the temperature can be read up to a precision of 1/10 of degree Celsius. That is 0.1 degree Celsius. In the Fahrenheit scale, one large division is divided into 5 small divisions. Thus, one small division can read 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Let us see how to use a clinical thermometer to measure body temperature. Wash the thermometer, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks to bring down the mercury level below the 35 degrees Celsius mark. Now, place one end of the bulb under your tongue for a minute. Take the thermometer out and see the level of mercury. The reading in the thermometer marks the body temperature. Only human body temperature is measured using a clinical thermometer. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The basis of the thermometer is that the volume of the liquid varies with the temperature. Here, the liquid used in the thermometer is mercury. If that is the case, then the mercury level in the clinical thermometer should gradually come down as soon as it is taken out of the measuring body due to change in temperatures. Why doesn't that happen? Why does it stay at the measured temperature even after it is taken out? Observe the clinical thermometer closely near the bulb. You can see a small curve-like thing. It is called a kink. Kink does not allow the mercury to fall back on its own. That is why we give jerks to bring the mercury level down. Is it possible to measure boiling water, milk, or any other thing with a clinical thermometer? Is there any other type of thermometer? Let us see in our next session.